Hey everyone, so I went to Sally's earlier and I picked up 4 items. You all are very familiar with my Silk Elements relaxer that I use. It's the regular with olive oil, so I don't need to go in detail about that. It was $4.99 at Sally's. I'm sorry, my son is making all that noise with his toys. Then I'm going to come over here to the S-Curl No Drip, and this was, let's see, it was $3.89 at Sally's. And I got this because I looked at Forever Stilo's video and she used it on her new growth to stretch her relaxer. So I'm going to try to stretch my relaxer to 5 weeks because those of you who look at my video know that I relax my hair every 4 weeks. Now these 2 products right here, this was a buy one get one free deal. So that's why I have 2 of this brand. It's called Mystic Divine. And this one right here, it's the conditioner. And it was on, let's see, how much was it? It was $8.49. And then this one right here, this is the Nourishing Mask treatment, and it was on sale for $7.49. So I bought this one and got this one free because you get the one that's lesser value for free. So I'm super excited to try these products, which I've already tried this and I have a review on this. For those of you who have never seen my relaxer videos, I'll put that in the description box. But these 3 right here, I'm excited to try those. I really hope this can help me to make it to 5 weeks because I want to try to set a goal of 6 weeks for my relaxer. So I'm gonna see how well that works for me. And then these, I love buying conditioners, and this is let's see, Nourishing Mask. There we go. So, you guys stay tuned for the reviews on these products. Thanks for watching.